Come on, come on, come on. What's going on? Face away from me.
Why?
You're being detained right now.
Do you have probable cause?
Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
On the 18th of April, 2025, officers in Washington state responded to a domestic violence call at a private residence. The incident resulted in an arrest, active resistance, and seizure of multiple firearms.
Let's go, Steven. 19. What's the house address again? Copy that. Police, open up! Hey, what's up? Come on, come on, come on. What's going on?
All the way out, all the way
Come
out.
on, come on, come on.
Ma'am, all the way out.
Hey, come on, just walk out. Hey, sir, get your hands out right now. Get your hands up.
Go down the stairs. Go down.
Come here. Face away from me. Face away from me.
Wait!
Face away from me, dude. Right now.
Why?
Face away from me.
Why?
You're
Why?
being detained right now.
Do you have probable cause?
You're being detained right now. We're investigating
Do you have probable cause? Yes or no?
You're being detained right now. Come here.
Get the out of our house.
Can I go in, ma'am? Can I go in? Yeah. Okay. Turn around. I'll play with us.
Give us your arms.
Do you have probable cause?
Give us your arms.
Do you have probable cause?
Get him, grab him.
Why are you doing
Code
that?
2, he's fighting.
Why are you doing this?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Why are you doing this?
On the ground right now.
Why are you doing this?
Let me. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Give us your arms.
Give us your arms. Do it now, or you're gonna.
Spread out your arms.
Back up. Go outside. Go outside.
Give us your arms.
Give us your arm. You're gonna get tased again. Give us your arm. You're gonna get tased again. Hey, taser. Yeah.
Spread out
Give
your
us your
arms.
arm. Give us your arm. You're gonna get tased. Give us your arm. You're gonna get tased. Okay,
Give us this arm.
Taser. All right, give him a second. We got his other arm. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Yep.
We need one more arm. Right here. Okay. You done?
Let me get my phone out.
Let your arm out. Let your arm
Let me get my phone out.
Give you a chance.
Let your arm out. Let
Now.
your phone go. All right. What are your
My team, we got one custody right now. Four.
Good.
You have the ear.
You guys good? Yeah. Your brother, your fucking pig.
Yours?
That's his phone, sir.
Okay.
Gonna need a. We'll talk about it in a bit.
Okay, no worries.
Mike got his leg, so.
Okay, we're good here. Let's just calm down. We'll wait for a sec. Do you need medical attention, sir?
No, I don't think so.
Alright.
Let's do it for you.
Yeah, for sure.
You guys went easy on me. I appreciate it. Where'd they hit him at?
Try something.
Where's my phone? You put my phone away, please.
He's good. Yeah, we can bring
Make
it.
your phone.
Huh?
We have your phone.
Okay. My wallet right there, too, please. Or, yeah.
Why you gotta be difficult with us, man?
Huh?
Why you gotta be difficult with us?
You don't have probable cause.
Oh, do you want to start talking to her?
Yeah, I got it.
Finding out what happened.
Alright, so.
Hi. I'm Officer Oak.
Being difficult, I'm being difficult. You don't have probable cause.
Is there anyone else in the house? Okay.
What?
For a DV crime that occurred.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
How? What happened?
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Have these rights in mind? Do you want to talk to me? Alright. You can say that then.
Ma'am. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm Officer Oak, Fairway Police. You got called here, I think by you, right?
Yeah.
Because of a dispute with this man. Is this your husband?
Yeah.
Okay, so what made you call police tonight?
Because I was sleeping downstairs
Okay.
And he just kind of yelled by himself upstairs, but I ignored and I tried to go to sleep because I need to go to work tomorrow.
Okay.
And he just kind of came to my room, and then he just kind of hit me with a pillow just 3 times. And he,
Where did he strike you?
huh?
Where did he hit you?
My face and my head.
While you were laying down still?
No, I just got up because he just
Oh, I see.
opened the door just so abruptly. He just kind of broke on my Korean phone.
He broke your phone?
Yeah. And then just he told me that call the boyfriend, call the police, because he think that I'm just having an affair. But no, I'm not. I'm not having an affair. And
did he take the phone from you while you were on the phone with 911?
No, he actually forced me to call you guys.
He forced you to
Yeah,
call?
because I didn't want to call you guys, but
Yeah.
he just he told me that he need to end up this situation. So he told me that if I didn't call the 911, and then that's why he broke up my Korean phone.
Okay.
And then just I just kind of threatened that if I didn't do it, and then something happens, and he just want me to call 911.
You know what, my legs? I'm not, where am I gonna go? Come on. God damn it. I'm not, you.
Leave your legs right there.
Yeah, sit down.
Leave your legs right there.
You pig. Pig.
Just letting you know all this has been audio recorded.
Ah, shut up, you f***ing pig. What are you doing?
Dude, I'm taking pictures of your injuries.
You created more injuries to take pictures of? You idiot.
You said what?
You trying to make injuries to take pictures
No,
of?
I'm taking pictures of it.
What's wrong with you?
He was kicking around, so we just have him here.
Can I sit down or what? You feel like a threat? Is that right?
Kowalski, can you grab his arm? There's a dry sun mark on
What's your
Yep.
If you think I'm a threat, I can't sit down.
He just kind of shake my back,
Yeah.
and
Hey, I know this is difficult to relive. I really appreciate you speaking with us about this. So when he was
so
throughout this whole incident, did it make you fearful that he would do
yeah,
something else?
yeah.
Does he have weapons?
Yeah, but he didn't use it.
They weren't used. Okay.
Yeah,
Do you know what kind of weapons does he have?
gun, I think. Yeah.
Do you know where this gun is?
No.
Okay.
Had your fun for the evening?
Yo, listen up. We're gonna pick you up. Are you gonna fight us if we pick you up?
That's pretty hard to do, isn't it?
Look,
Well,
we're just trying to make sure you're gonna be cooperative.
What choice do I have?
People make their own choices, so I'm trying to
yeah,
verify before I pick you up, okay?
That's a funny thing you say that.
Are you gonna be chill if I pick you up?
Treat a circumstance and then blame me for it. Brilliant.
Can you give me a verbal, I will comply?
I don't have to do shit.
He was on the medication before, but he hasn't taken probably over 3 years.
Okay. What was he taking medication for?
I don't know.
Okay.
Just please eat with him, because he's not that bad person.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not that bad person, but if he just kind of getting just out of control like that, and
Yeah.
then it happens.
Yeah.
It happens. He's not that bad person.
Has he ever struck you before?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
He did. I tried to just deal with that, but tonight, and then he just forced me to call you guys.
We're gonna hold on to you so you don't trip and fall on your face, okay?
Just
Wait, it's
let go.
policy. It's policy, man. We gotta hold on to you, okay? Last thing I want is for you to fall down. Okay? Just watch your step.
him taking the cell phone away.
And he broke it, so we got Malnish.
Oh, interfering with 911 too.
The Korean one.
Yeah.
Interfering with.
I have American friend too, though. Please,
Sorry.
yeah, please eat with him, though. He's
Okay, well, for tonight,
yeah.
he is under arrest. He will go to jail. Because Washington State takes domestic violence very seriously. And even things like taking the phone away from you. Even though he made you call 911, you were talking with him, right?
Yeah.
And then he took the phone.
I know that's a Korean phone.
Okay.
And then he gave this one to call you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Did he take that one away from you at all?
No, he just
Okay.
whenever just he think that I might have just kind of just a connection with you guys, and then he always just kind of I have somebody at the police, and then just
All right, just can we pause just for a moment?
Real quick, and then check your pockets. Make sure you don't have any weapons on you or anything.
Whatever. Tell my wife I said hi.
We're not going anywhere yet. We're just gonna have
whatever.
a check you out, okay?
I don't.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and lean forward for me, boss. Lean forward for me. Done. Yep, just slightly. Thank you. All right, just hang tight, all right? Breathing okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay. This one.
He hit her in the face with a pillow.
Assault 4 DV. We'll charge him with it.
Just unwanted.
Fine with it.
Got it.
And then resisting arrest.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Mike, what can I?
I know we just talked, but this is because we had to originally kind of figure out what's happening here, right? Would you feel comfortable making a recorded statement? And that's like an official, this is what
do I
happened
need
tonight.
to? Do I
You're
need-
not required to, but
Okay, then I'm not really just in the mood to do those kind of stuff right now.
okay.
Yeah, and what's happened to him though?
He will go to jail tonight, and then he will have a court date possibly tomorrow, or maybe the next business day, where he's going to be before a judge. And he will be brought before the judge to talk about this incident.
Did you need to talk to him about anything?
Well, I read him his Miranda warnings and he said, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Cool.
Yeah, I have been trying not to call you guys, but tonight it just he just
You should not feel any hesitation. He had control. We just asked him, please, can you come out to us to speak with us? He controlled that, he drove that situation. Just like he did this to you, it wasn't your fault. You should never be ashamed of calling. You didn't cause that to happen. Call police.
Yeah.
Don't ever think that that's a bad idea, because you first have to protect yourself. Okay.
please just ask him to see a psychiatrist.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if he just on the medication, I think
Okay.
he'll be fine.
No, she doesn't want to make a recorded statement, but I was able to get good enough amount of information out of her. She will take a DV pamphlet, so I'll provide that and try to take a picture or so.
Hey, are you Mr. Kim?
Yeah.
All right, can you come inside real quick? We're going to fill out some paperwork.
Right.
We'll need your keys, and then if you just tell us where the guns are, we'll grab them from the car.
In the truck.
Okay. So he had 2 registered to him. He's got 3, which that's fine. If he has more than a registered to him, that's fine. Where we'd be concerned is if he has 3 registered to him and he's only turning in 2. I also didn't like how he said, that's all you get for now, which to me says he's
strange.
like, who has a gun and no magazines? And these aren't like evidence guns, right? So I would lock it open. So we're gonna pull back the charging handle, and then the bolt lock is gonna be right here. That little guy. Okay, go ahead. Now so now it's locked open. Now we can verify it's safe, or it's empty rather. And same thing with these. Just lock them open. I don't know if that's a Glock knockoff or is that a real Glock?
I'm not sure.
That's a real Glock. So we have 1 gun registered to him that's not here. So we need to ask about that. So I see we have the Smith rifle.
Yeah.
The one I don't see is this Jennings firearms. Where's that one?
Oh, that was like 30 years ago. I don't.
Oh, is that an old?
I don't have that anymore.
No longer in your possession?
No.
Okay, excellent. Just had to ask about that. All right, good to know.
Under RCW 10.99.30, Washington State imposes a mandatory arrest obligation when officers have probable cause to believe domestic violence occurred. A victim statement alone satisfies this threshold. The subject's repeated demands for probable cause reflected a misapplication of Fourth Amendment doctrine. Under Graham v. Connor, FIDA Hundranitio U. S. 386-1989. Force must be objectively reasonable, given 3 factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All 3 factors were present. The Ninth Circuit in Bryan v. McPherson, 630, F3D, 805, Ninth Circuit, 2010, is established that taser deployment constitutes significant intermediate force, requiring justification beyond passive noncompliance. Active physical resistance satisfies that threshold. Verbal warnings prior to deployment further support legal justification. Under RCW 9A 36.08, destroying a victim's means of contacting emergency services is a standalone criminal offense. The phone destruction and the coerced 911 call support a charge independent of the assault. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966, requires rights, advisement, before custodial interrogation. Rights were delivered after arrest and before formal questioning. Under Berguiz v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 3702010, silence alone does not constitute an invocation. Under RCW 9.41.800, a domestic violence arrest triggers mandatory firearm surrender. The Lautenberg Amendment, 18 U.S.C. 922, permanently prohibits firearm possession following a domestic violence misdemeanor conviction. A registration discrepancy was documented. The subject's statement suggesting withheld firearms created a basis for further investigation. Mandatory arrest statutes remove the reporting burden from victims. Miranda, advisement, medical assessment, injury documentation, and weapons inventory are each independently critical to case integrity. Trauma-informed victim interviewing applied correctly in this interaction directly affects cooperation and case outcome in subsequent proceedings.